intake off on the 66 Riviera. It's looking like in here. Let's see. Alright, so this one has been a problem. So it's good. In here. But the spring is tight. So I don't know if it's rusted out or what, but that spring is tight. Everything else just about as it should be. So right now it is spinning without the spark plugged in. It hasn't spun right ever with the spark plugs in. So I'm just trying to see if I can work some lube here in the valley, and then see what we can do about the crankshaft at the bottom. All right. All right, I got the heads off. So this is what we looking like inside the cylinder. That just fell in from me working right now. So we do got this stuff was clogged. That may be the issue. Taking a wild guess. We'll see. But that is where we're at. Alright, I got a little bit of PB Blaster in there. We're gonna see what it does. Alright, here is the passenger, the driver's side. Let's see what we got going on in here. So it's not rusted in there. So this is a waste of time. I'm guessing because I was expecting to see rust. Oh, rust in here. These are pretty bad where the water goes, but that's about it.